Hello, good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I would like to give presentation about my paper with the title Transformer Oil Degradation Detection System based on color scale analysis. And the authors of the paper, they are Muhammad Fahmi Hakim, which is myself, and then the second author is Rahman Aziz Prasojo. And then the third author is Rahmanita Duana Putri. And then the fourth author is Bustani Hadiwijaya. And then there is Hanifia Darnavida Amaral. And then the last is Zaki Fadi M. Zain. Okay, and then we go to the first section, that is introduction. We know that the transformer oil has been widely and long used as insulation and cooling material for transformer. And the load on the transformers increases, which causes quality degradation of oil. And then if this continues, it can affect the oil color, damage the transformer's insulation strength, and impact its performance. So, therefore, proper monitoring of insulating oil condition could extend the service life. And there are several methods for transform oil degradation testing. The first is DGA, or dissolved gas analysis. DGA method utilizes the concentration of various gases dissolved in transformer oil to detect initial damage to the transformer. And then the another method of testing oil degradation based on the oil color scale shows that color can be an indicator of the age and level of degradation of transformer oil quality. And there are several research about oil transformer monitoring. Srivastava designed a real-time transformer oil monitoring using planar frequency-based, and then Mustafa developed an object color detection system using the TCS 3200 color sensor. Hadi et al. Developed a transformer oil monitoring system using ultraviolet blue laser. Leong et al. Offered a new technique for measuring the color scale of transformer oil, namely using UV light, and Mahanta presented an optical sensor-based transformer oil insulation breakdown monitoring system. And then the novelty that is offered in this research is a project to design a transformer oil condition detection system based on an oil color scale referring to the ESTM D1500 2009. Now, the benefit of this device makes it easier for operators to test the level of degradation of the transformer color scale, because the color scale value is directly displayed on the LCD screen. And then the objective. The main objectives of this research includes designing, testing, and validating a system for accurately detecting transformer oil degradation levels through microcontroller-based oil color reading. Next, the next section is method. there are several stages presented in the research method, including the first is system design. In the step, we will show about the design of the prototype. And then the second step is system work sequence. And then the third continue by the system testing. And then the last step is system validation. Okay, now let's go to the first step in the method, that is system design. Now, this is the design of our prototype with the dimensions. These figures show the design of the transformer oil degradation level detection system based on the color scale, which consists of components such as a transformer oil sample tube chamber, number one here. This is transformer oil sample tube chamber, and then the second, or number two here, pointed with in here with the red line here. Number two is color sensor, that is TCS 3200, and then number three here is microcontroller, that is we use Arduino Uno, and then number four is LCD, number five power supply, and then number six acrylic housing. In the left side here, figure in the left side shows the whole shapes and dimension of housing for placing components, and then the figure in the right side here shows the shape and dimensions of this tube chamber inside the system. So the chamber is located here. So if we zoom this part, the result is like this. This is the one of the most important part of this system. Yeah. And then how about the working sequence of the system? The working sequence of the system, so in this figure, yeah. The power supply is connected via a DC adapter, which produces an output voltage of 5 until 12 VDC to activate the microcontroller here and color sensor. And then the transformer oil sample to be tested is put into a test tube. And then the color sensor here reads the oil sample in the form of RGB values, and then the RGB values is sent to microcontroller. Microcontroller converts RGB into a number code according to the ESTM D1500 2009 standard, that is range from 0 to 8.5 using a regression equation with the multilinear regression method. The result of the transformer oil color scale are further interpreted using IEEE C57.152 and SIGRE TB761. After the data is processed by the microcontroller, the data is then sent to the output pin of the microcontroller, which connects to the output device in this tool, that is LCD. to display the output in the form of the oil color scale and degradation level. The condition of degradation level, there are several that are new, good, surface age marginal, bad, severe, until extreme. Okay. And then after the working sequence, we go to system testing. System testing includes color of transfer oil samples, visual assessment or determination, sensor type testing, chamber wall color testing, transfer oil sample vessel testing, and overall system testing. And then the last step in the method, the final step is to validate the test result of research products using standard tools for testing the color of transfer oil or other fluids, namely spectrophotometric colorimeters, which are owned by PT PLN East Java and Bali Transmission Main Unit, or UITGPM. Now let's go to the result and discussion. In the result and discussion, first is determination of the color scale of transformer oil samples based on ESTM D1500-2009 standards visually. The color scale of the transformer oil test sample was first determined visually according to the ESTM D1500-2009. The number of transformer oil samples in this study was 11 oil samples. Visual assessment of the first until 11th samples produced a value scale of 0.5 until the maximum is 5.5 respectively. And then next, selection and testing of sensor types. The first sensor tested was a UV sensor, and then the oil samples inserted into a test tube. Each oil sample scale was tested 5 times for a total of 55 tests, and then the maximum sensor readings result are on a scale of 1.5, and for the next scale, 2 until 5.5, the test results are not displayed because the transformer oil color was not readable, so the GUVA or the UV sensor disk cannot be applied to this oil color system test system. Yeah. So we do not use this sensor. And then we tried to use the second sensor, was color sensor CCS 3200. The oil sample was put into a test tube. The color sensor and test tube were enclosed in a chamber with white chamber walls. Each oil sample scale was tested 5 times for a total of 55 tests. And then the linear regression equation was determined with the independent variables being the parameters RG and B, and the dependent variable, namely the visual color scale using MATLAB help. And then the SMAPE value for this kind of test is 1.057%. And then after we selection and testing for sensor types, we go to the chamber wall color testing. Color testing of transformer oil samples was carried out in a chamber with light or white and dark or black wall colors to determine the wall color that produces more accurate color scale values. SMAPE percentage for black chamber walls is 15.03%, and then SMAPE percentage for black, sorry, this is white, yeah, sorry, this is typo. For white chamber walls is 1.07%. So the white chamber walls produce more accurate measurement because smaller SMAPE percentage is more accurate measurement. And then for the performance testing of the device, the figure shows that the system can detect the color scale with the detection results displayed on the LCD. Figure here display the RGB value of the transformer oil color detection result tested by the color sensor. And then if we push this button, so there is an oil transformer oil condition analysis results according to SIGRI 761 2019. And then if we push again the push button here, so the LCD show the oil degradation level here. So we can conclude that the system can work well. Yeah. And then the last step, validation of the system. The test results from the spectrophotometric colorimeters were compared with the test results from research tool or from the prototype. We compare the result using the SMAPI method. The SMAPI value is 7.35%. So it can be said from the validation result, the accuracy value of this tool is 92.65%. So this is the accurate enough, yeah, for this prototype. And then the last for conclusion, this research developed and evaluated a system to detect transformer degradation based on TCS 3200 color sensor and microcontroller. And the research finding demonstrate the system ability to convert RGB value to standard color scale values according to the ASTM D1500 2009. The system can assess oil condition and determine degradation level based on the SIGRI. And then the accuracy 92.65%. These findings align with the previous studies, and the system performance and accuracy indicate that it's practical and reliable enough for industrial application. Future research can build upon these findings by using or assembling advanced sensor or refining calibration techniques to improve accuracy and sensitivity. Okay, I think that's all my presentation about our paper. Thank you for the chance that give for us to present this our paper. Thank you very much. I think enough for us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.